Prime Minister Narendra Modi is addressing the Indian diaspora in Russia. Following the interaction, he will lay a wreath at Kremlin's Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Prime Minister Modi will then visit the Rosatom Pavilion at an exhibition venue in Moscow. Let's just cut live to the address that we're getting right now from Moscow. As you can see on your screens right now, that's Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing the Indian diaspora in Moscow. Well, let me just bring you up to speed with the issues that Prime Minister Modi has touched on so far. He did say earlier that today India is the country that's giving the most reliable model of digital transactions to the world.
और मेरे तो डीएनए में है चुनौती को चुनौती देना.
Prime Minister Modi says that it is in his DNA to challenge all the challenges that he does face. He did talk about India, saying that it is the country that takes Chandrayaan to the part of the moon where no other country in the world could reach, and said that he will make sure that India achieves the targets that it sets. There you can hear chants of Prime Minister Modi from the Indian diaspora in Moscow right now.
मुझे खुशी है.
There Prime Minister Modi said that he is happy, and you could hear the chants from the crowd saying that they are just as happy, in fact, to be hearing him.
जब देशवासियों के साथ दूरी का अवकाश ही न हो, जो सोच लीडर के मन में चलती है, वही सोच जब जन मन में होती है ना, तो अपार ऊर्जा जनरेट हो जाती है दोस्त. और यही मैं देख रहा हूं.
Prime Minister Modi is saying that for a leader, it is a moment of great joy and pride when there is distance between the people of a country, but the thoughts and the feelings towards the nation resonate with the people.
भारत और रूस कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चल रहे हैं.
Prime Minister Modi says that he's happy that India and Russia have stood by each other as strategic partners, and that the Indian diaspora has had a big role to play in that.
और नई ऊंचाई दे रहे हैं. आपने अपनी मेहनत से, अपनी ईमानदारी से रूस के समाज में अपना योगदान दिया है.
Prime Minister Modi also congratulated the Indian diaspora for their dedication and hard work in contributing to the Russian society.
जो अनोखा रिश्ता है, उसका कायल रहा हूं.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.